YouTube, what did I just do? Oh my god. I just cut off all my straight hair, well, most of it, but Jesus, what did I just do? Oh my god. What did I just, oh, let me, guys, I just did my big chop, sort of. Oh my god. With my straight hair, my hair would have been up to here. After I stretched it, oh my gosh. I did it. Whoa. I'm just looking, I'm just like, what did I just do? Oh my goodness. Great accomplishment. Stay tuned, I guess. There's a lot going on. Subscribe and like and comment. Oh my gosh.